Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. It's early in the morning. I'm up to help do some trash pickup along our private road that comes into the subdivision. And then I need to go to Flagstaff. It's another day of driving, but I'm going to get my windshield replaced in the box truck. Not in the Rover, in the box truck. I have to get it done because we're going to be heading to California in a couple of weeks. I want to make sure that I don't get stopped because, sure enough, driving through San Diego County in a box truck with a broken windshield is a sure recipe for a stop. Well, time to get going. Got to go pick trash.